In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue challenged Garry Kasparov to a game of chess. This was a stunning event. Garry Kasparov had an IQ of 190 and was hailed as one of the 10 smartest men in the world. He was at the time ranked world number 1, a title he had held for 12 years and would go on to hold for 8 more years to come. Not to mention the youngest world chess champion ever. He was an obvious favorite, defeating Deep Blue just a year ago. Well, Deep Blue won the engagement. This was the first time when AI created world news. An artificially created intelligence that could beat the greatest chess player in the world at that time or any other time. upGrad Future Forward. Stories from the now, about the future. In 2016, DeepMind's AlphaGo challenged Lee Sedol for a match of the ancient Chinese game of Go. This match made headlines across the world and was thought to be about 10 years too early. Go is profoundly more complex than chess, and for seconds, Lee Sedol was the scariest Go player of his time. This South Korean national treasure was the obvious favorite. The question wasn't if Lee would win, it was if he would win the 5 engagements 5-0 or 4-1. Well, safe to say, AlphaGo won the series 4-1. But something happened during these engagements that have become the stuff of legends. In 2 moves, AlphaGo and Lee Sedol redefined the future. In Game 2, AlphaGo made a move now known as Move 37, which perfectly sums up the incredibly powerful and awe-inspiring talents of artificial intelligence. It was thought of as a mistake at first, but turned the tide of the game. Lee Sedol was speechless and went on to lose the 3rd game as well to AlphaGo. In Game 4, Lee Sedol vindicated himself by a move so stunning that it completely perplexed AlphaGo. Move 78 led to AlphaGo making rookie mistakes and completely losing control of the game. This move is so unique that a Go master might play such a move just once in his entire lifetime. It is called a divine move, or even God's touch. It became abundantly clear at that moment that this engagement was different than any previous man versus machine match. The contest between Deep Blue and Kasparov was mostly an unremarkable engagement. Deep Blue never showed any signs of brilliance, and it was particularly bad form from Kasparov. And unlike Deep Blue, AlphaGo was not just another probability engine. Before entering the contest, AlphaGo had over 2,000 years of learning under its belt. Move 37 made it clear that AlphaGo was strategizing on a level far superior to humans. Move 37 may not be a divine move, but it had a different kind of touch. A machine's touch. This machine did something humans couldn't even conceive of. This imperfect collection of wires and processing units that can't speak, can't eat, can't breathe, and couldn't less match Lee's divine move. These imperfections are at the core of what makes these machines so intriguing. It's not human, but then again, would Lee Sedol's divine move even be possible without AlphaGo's Move 37? If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from upGrad.